Hello there, and thank you for tuning in today. In today's video, I was going to do a flip through of my Christmas planner. This cover was from a shop called Stylish Planner, and I will link her shop below. I also have the rose gold discs on it, but she has a lot of different covers to choose from. You can ask for different font, different sayings, etc. Just thought it was so pretty that you could use it then from year to year. Okay, and when you open it up, I have an Erin Condren little sticky adhesive pocket on the back of the cover, and I have just put in some Christmas stickers. Just have a nice piece of vellum, and for the month of November, I am going to be having a grateful list, or a list of things that I'm thankful for. So I've got that right there. And then I've included a countdown to Christmas. This insert was from Annie Plans Printables, and I will be using in the Happy Planner Christmas book, I'm going to use the cute little dated stickers. Shoot, I should have had these out. That then when each day passes, oh my gosh, I'm so sorry. There we go. Then I'll use these and I'll put them on there and count down to Christmas. Okay, and then on the back of that, I have my Christmas bucket list of different things that we'd like to do as a family this year. And then I have the Christmas extension pack, and it starts with the menu section. So it goes through holiday menu planning, and then it includes some holiday recipe sheets. The next section is your party planning section, and in here it's got a party planner sheet where you can do decorations, your guest list, your menu, your entertainment, and then it's blank lined on the back. Then we go into the cookie exchange. It's got some ingredient alternatives and then helpful tips for a fun cookie exchange, and then sheets for your cookie recipes. And the thing, a list, like a kind of a grocery list of things of what you need to get for party supplies and baking ingredients and who's coming. And then the cards and gifts section is next. It has a Christmas card list. And then what I've included here, I had this fun little tag that I got at a local Holiday Mart boutique last year, and I thought it'd be kind of fun. I'm going to attach some ribbon to it and make a fun little bookmark. Within this section, being that it's cards and gifts, I have a folder that's going to hold my receipts for the holidays of the gifts that I've purchased, and then I have created a budget. And these stickers came out of the Christmas planner, Stick-It Brooke. And then I kind of created a holiday shopping tracker, gifts that I want to get on Black Friday, Cyber Monday, and things that I order online. I'll have a tracker there. And then it goes into your gift list of things that you're purchasing, for who, what you purchased them, where, and whether it was purchased and wrapped. And then it goes into your stocking stuffer ideas. Then we have our memories section, and in here it goes into your favorite memories with some places to book some photos. Got several sheets of that. And then it goes into holiday traditions, where you can maybe notate, per year, some different traditions. And lastly, then it goes into your notes section, where I've just got some of the plain paper, and then I've kind of added some of the gold paper in the back. The nice thing about this extension pack is there's several sheets within each section, so I think you really could use it from year to year. That's what I am hopeful, or that's what I intend to do. So I think you can get a couple years out of it. This can be purchased at your local Hobby Lobby, or you can now purchase it on the MANBI website. But yeah, there's the black cover and there's that. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. But again, thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye-bye.